Hey guys, here's our story of Hurricane Harvey from 2017. Good morning. This is update on Hurricane Harvey. That's it. We've just had light to medium rain today, and that's all.
Reporting to you live from Houston for Hurricane Harvey. Harvey ain't doing nothing. Even though it's raining, we're going shopping. Nothing.
There's water in the house. Here's an update for today. It's raining, but not too bad. And then there's a little bit of water on our streets, but we're safe right now. It's good and dry inside the house. It says leaving the house. Everything here in place, everything on tables, nothing on the floor. Preserve our bedroom floors, kitchen. This trying to make way to safer ground. Driving through. Nope, not gonna get through.
Is there another way?
Yeah, let's go another way.
The dining room, entrance to the house. About a foot. Looks like it can get up about 2 feet, but then it's come down. Everything's destroyed. Bathroom is destroyed. The other room. One bedroom. Kitchen. Restroom.
This is our stuff that we're having to get rid of. The doors, clothes, stuff from the kitchen, stuff from the garage, decor, shoe shelf, coffee tables, dresser, another dresser, more doors, more stuff that was everywhere, chairs, things that was just ruined. Just wanted to give you a preview.
Wherever you